Hello everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use this POR self-check Excel file. So basically the intention for this file is to make sure all the data is in BNI Connect is accurately updated and the attendance is smart, visitor is smart and so on. So these are the few data you are going to get from BNI Connect. They are chapter visitor report, drop member, member training report, PALMS monitoring, and PALMS submission. Each of them you are able to get through BNI Connect, and you can see the gray line over here. It shows where to get the report. BNI Connect, region, chapter, visitor report. Let me show you a couple of them so that you're able to see how it works. So first, I will go to my BNI Connect. In my BNI Connect, so I can go to region. Just now I'm looking for the chapter visitor report. So inside chapter visitor report, I can click, I can show it has multiple regions here. If you are looking after multiple regions, you are able to select multiple. So now I just pick one of them. And for the date, you want to select the first date of previous month. Like here, I click, I use this button, go to previous date and pick the very first date of that month. And click on the end date again and go backward one time and pick the very last date of the month. And then from here you can click OK and it will show you how the report looks like. And you just need to click on export button to keep the file somewhere else. Later you're going to use that file. You may want to change the name of the downloaded file so that it's easier for you to locate the file later on. So let me close this one. So this is about chapter visitor report. Some of you may not able to see this one in your BNI Connect. So therefore, you can just click on this configure button so that you are able to show what kind of reports you want to see, or you are able to resequence the report you are going to see in your BNI Connect. On the second report I want to get is from the drop member. It's inside BNI Connect, region, regional office, drop member report, and at the same time you want to pick the last month. So let's go back, BNI Connect, regional office and drop members. Inside here, pick a region if you are looking after more than one region. Start date, go backward, pick the very first date of the last month and click on the end date, go backward and pick the very last date of last month and click go. Inside here, you will show the list of the referral partners that have been stopped from BNI Connect. So you can click export. Again, you want to rename the file so that it's easier for you to locate the file later on. And the third one I want to get from members training report is inside BNI Connect region members training report. So let's go back here, members training report. Inside here is a bit different. Besides selecting the region, on the training types, you want to select all. So while you are clicking one of them, you can press Ctrl A to select all. And on the start date, by default, it uses the last rolling 6 months. If you are okay with this, then it's perfect okay. If you just want to focusing on the attendance for the training last month, I will advise you to change the start date to the first date of last month, like here. Yeah, first date until the last, then press OK. And inside here, you are able to see all the training attendance has been marked for individual referral partners. And then you can click on export to keep the file somewhere else. And a gentle reminder, you may want to rename the file so that it's easier for you to locate later on. So I can close this one. And the subsequent file is a PALMS monitoring. Inside here, I will need to go to meeting statistic. And there's a PALMS report monitoring. Over here, pick a chapter you're looking for and click go. And over here, we can see when was the last PALMS that have been submitted by individual chapter. And click on export and keep the file somewhere else. You may want to rename it so that it's easier for you to locate the file later on. And final file is a PALMS submission. It's inside BNI Connect region PALMS summary report. Let's go back here, BNI Connect, summary PALMS report. You pick a region, pick the start date. This is the last rolling 6 months. You want to focusing on the last month only. And over here, you want to click on include drop members so that you can see they are complete, they have submit everything. And click go. And similarly, you can click on the export to keep a copy of this one, rename the file so that it is easier for you to locate the file later on. So after you have downloaded all the files, you can go back to Excel here. Before you start importing the data, you want to clear all previously imported data by selecting on this button, click. Then you ask for confirmation, you just say yes, and all the imported data previously has been removed. And if let's say you want to search for individual file you have downloaded, you can click on the browse and you'll ask you where is the location of the file. And select the file and click OK, and you can see all the files will be selected. After everything is done, then you want to click on import all data files. Whenever you click on this import all data files button, you will ask for confirmation again. Because it will take a while, you just want to make sure you are not clicking on this one by accident. So once you are confirmed, you say yes, it will take a while to import all the data files you have specified. Once you have imported all the files, you can see this is updated and with the message called done. And click done. By default, the date range here, it will show the last month date. And over here, it will show list of the chapter you have in your region. And you can see with how many visitors that have been marked and how many has been dropped, how many training attendance that have been marked, the PALM submission, how many, and when was the last time they are submitted for their PALMs. So in a quick glance, you know which chapter is okay, which chapter you want to have send a reminder for them. And sometimes you want to double check on the visitor attendance, or you want to double check on the training attendance as well. At the bottom here, you can see all the black color worksheet. These are the worksheets you want to go in and double check. You want to double confirm. For example, I can go to visitor. These are the visitors have been marked or recognized in the BNI Connect. However, this one, it doesn't count into the consideration of the first time visit. Because first time visit will be the consideration of the entire Malaysia. So what you're looking here, it will be relevance in your region. And same goes with the events. Events here, it will show all the trainings has been marked for the respective referral partner. And sometimes you want to double check on the PALMs. Maybe they want to have a special thank you for close business or number of referrals that have been key or recognized by the PALM. You want to double check in the PALM summary. In short, over here, you can have a quick glance where are the PALMs report and all the statuses for the BNI Connect data. So that with this one, you're able to know what's happening on the ground, make sure everyone is appreciating the data very, very differently, and they're able to make use of the data to make much more better decisions. And ultimately, you are able to change the world does business.